Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1967 Pontiac GTO. Outstanding car, guys. Factory red car, black vinyl top, black interior, all PHS documented car. It's got the matching numbers, 400 cubic inch engine in it, and just really just a quality car. Gentleman I bought it from, he's owned it for 3 years. Said he's only put about 1,000 miles on it in the 3 years that he's owned it. He's retiring and moving somewhere warm. I actually bought it down in Ohio, and like I say, very impressive car. Good, solid, straight body. Again, it is a PHS documented car, factory red car, runs and drives excellent. There's just not a whole lot that you can really pick at on this car. Power steering, power disc brakes. Really just a nice car. Paint's pretty. There's not a whole lot you can pick on this car, guys. This is a very nice car. Chrome and stainless are nice. Fit and finish is excellent on the car. Glass is nice. Vinyl top's in excellent shape. See how nice that car is down the sides, nice and flat. It's got Cooper Cobras all the way around it. It's got the correct Rally 2 wheels with the caps and rings and lugs. Great car. I love the double pinstripe on it. Is rock solid underneath. We took some good photos of it on the underside for you. Again, power disc brakes. If you don't like the pinstripe, it's tape, so you can pull it off. I'd love it. Again, this is the matching numbers, 400 cubic inch engine. It's got the stock factory 4-barrel in it, stock intake, exhaust manifolds. Power steering, power front disc brakes. It's got the matching numbers, 400 turbo-hydromatic trans. Both motor and trans have been rebuilt. Correct Harrison radiator in it with the shroud. Outstanding car. I've got the cam card for the car. Might have upgraded the cam a little bit, I think, when they rebuilt it. And just, I mean, everywhere you look, this car is just slick. Dash is nice in there. If you want to nitpick the A-pillar chrome, you can a little bit there. Mirrors are nice, door handles are nice. A little light scratching on some of the trim there. Factory black interior. Bucket seats, pretty cool option. That's the optional headrest that was available in '67. Buckets count, so it's got the his and hers dual cage shifter in it. It's got all the correct Fisher body seat belts. Wood wheel. It's got some cool Stewart Warner vintage gauges, and it's got the old Stewart Warner tach in there. This is pretty cool, man. You can see the little Pontiac logos on that. I don't know if that's original or not, something that maybe a dealer option, but it's a tissue box. 78,586. That's the original miles on the car. You can see how nice the gauges are. Factory AM/FM radio. It's dual exhaust. It's got a big front sway bar, rear sway bar. It's a 10-bolt rear. I have to check the gear. I know it's not a big gear. It's probably like a 323, something like that. It has had one quarter panel put on this passenger side. They did a very nice job on it. Pretty car. Factory jack with the spare. Again, here's his little description, everything on it, all your PHS. Again, it does have the matching numbers motor in it. Very nice car. It's all spackle coated in the trunk like it should be. It's got air shocks. There's your little air nozzle for it. You can kind of adjust the ride height as you like. But just an outstanding car. It's very nice underneath. Like I said, it's got the rear sway bar. It's also got a bigger front sway bar. Nice car. Seats are nice. Like I said, I've driven it a couple of times now. Really nice, tight driver. Got the wood grain dash. Of course, it's got the rally gauges in it. I like that tach. I think that's pretty cool. Dual gauge shifter does work. If you know, if you put it on the Hurst side, you can just hit it to the right. It shifts one gear at a time. It is functional. It does work. Yeah, just a good running 400, guys. I love the front grille on these cars. Fuel gauge working, no on the clock. It's got a vacuum gauge, temp gauge does work. Tach's working. A little bit of cam to it, nothing crazy. We might have a, yeah. Let's see. Yeah, I think we got a bulb out in that center. I'll have Jay check that. See the lights under the dash work. Factory AM/FM works. The blower motor works. Again, the fit and finish is excellent on the car. I love the front ends on these cars. Love them. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook or our Instagram page. There's always the old-fashioned way. Pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Outstanding car right there. Very, very nice. So you got a bulb on the inside out. Who knows, it may just be a little connection too. That's what a lot of times we find. That's a great car though, man. Have a great day, guys.